Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Toyota Corolla door handle. First, gently pry up the window switch panel using a trim tool. Disconnect its electrical connector. Next, you'll find 2 screws underneath the switch panel. Remove these. Finally, pull the door panel firmly to release the clips, then lift it off the door frame. Remember to disconnect any remaining cables. With the door panel removed, carefully peel back the plastic moisture barrier to expose the inner workings. You'll need to locate a small access hole, usually covered by a rubber grommet, near the exterior handle. Through this hole, you can access the single retaining bolt that secures the exterior door handle. Use a socket wrench to loosen this bolt, but do not remove it completely yet. Once the retaining bolt is loose, you can begin to remove the handle from the outside. First, slide the small, fixed cap piece of the handle towards the rear of the car and remove it. Then, pull the main handle body outwards from the door. You will need to disconnect the latch rod and any electrical connectors attached to the handle mechanism before it can be fully removed. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps, ensuring all rods and electrical connectors are securely attached. Test the handle's operation several times before fully reassembling the door panel to confirm everything works correctly. Take your time to align all clips and screws for a snug fit. Also, check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.